To enter for recovery mode on OPPO A80 5G, first of all you will have to bring the power off menu and restart your phone, and when the screen goes black you will have to click and hold the volume down button. I mean the volume down button actually. So restart, now click and hold it, and take a look right here. After a few moments we will get the recovery mode, and this information will appear right here. So now we got the OPPO, and here we got the recovery mode. So we can release this button, and now we have to wait for the next menu with language selection. So we'll get 3 different languages, and I will show you how we can navigate with the volume down button. Click, and select with the power button English. Now, as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. We can format the device, reboot device, or simply power off. So that's your choice. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe to get more tutorials about OPPO A80 5G.